What's the meaning of Beat Generation? Beat Generation. Beat Generation.
Beat Generation. Beat Generation. The Beat Generation was a literary and cultural movement that emerged in the United States in the 1950s, characterized by a rejection of social conventions, experimentation with drugs, alternative forms of sexuality, and a deep interest in spirituality and Eastern religions. Writers such as Jack Kerouac, Allen Ginsberg, and William S. Burroughs were among the prominent figures associated with the Beat movement. Their works often focused on themes of alienation, rebellion, and the search for personal freedom. The movement had a profound influence on subsequent countercultural movements, including the hippie movement of the 1960s.